Today's video is sponsored by ThredUp. Welcome to Do It on a Dime. You know those holiday videos that share with you fun and easy, affordable ideas and you never actually end up doing them? This is not one of those videos. I'm going to share with you my sneaky and untold tricks you're actually going to want to try.
Charlie's favorite thing in the world.
Love the gnomes.
First, decorate your gnome for the holidays by going to the dollar store and getting a broom handle. Then head to the party section for a clear plate. A young woman on TikTok named Gabriella used these plates to make giant lollipops and wrapping paper, but I wanted to make these all weather, so I grabbed some tablecloths. That way these are gonna look great in snow, rain, or shine. Fold your tablecloth in half and then cut down the center diagonally. Are those Dollar Tree stickers pesky? You can use a heat gun to easily remove them. I taped this using packing tape from the dollar store onto the back of the plate. Add some E6000 if you want for security. And then you want to wrap the tablecloth around. I secured it with a zip tie. And then I added the big bow. You could do these in any combination you wanted to or in any colors. These would also look great for a birthday party. I trimmed the edges, and to get these to stay in your lawn, use solar lights, but just the base of them. The broom handle will slip right over the top. How cute are these? And they're about $3 each. More sneaky tricks. When I first shared this one, it went viral. Go to the garden section and grab these little trellises. I zip tied them together. I used 6 and then I put vines over the top and zip tied. This looked so great on my porch for fall and I decided to reuse it. I am all about reducing and reusing. I went to the hobby store and I got these giant candies. They were 60% off, so just about $5, and this giant snowflake was under $10. I took some greenery that I already had to set it down the center, added some zip ties, those are also from the dollar store, and I am loving this candy look. I think it makes the front porch look so whimsical, and if you've ever wondered how to hang up these types of decoration, I'm telling you, get the trellises from the dollar store. You can make the cutest porch and do it on a dime. I am really loving this candy theme, but if you don't have as much money to spend, let's say you want to spend under $20, go to the dollar store and get these solar lights. They're just $1.25, and you can also get these garland ties along with the long garlands. 2 of these stacked together, wrapped around my columns, and then I twisted on the solar lights using garland ties. This looks beautiful at day, but even more beautiful at night. Which is your favorite for a front porch? Be sure to leave a comment below. I've got a lot more to share, plus some genuine ways that you can make memories with your kids. But before we do that, make sure that you're taking care of you too. And here's so many affordable tricks. Today's video is brought to you by ThredUp. You know I'm a huge advocate for DIY and working with what you have, which is why I love ThredUp, the world's largest secondhand clothing store with your favorite brands, J. Crew, Ralph Lauren, Gap, up to 90% off estimated retail, and using the code Kathryn, you're gonna get an additional 30% off of your order. This is my favorite time of year to get a few new pieces. I wanna show you what I got and how little I spent. In a recent video, I wore this little Shein jumper. It was just 15 bucks, retails for 30. I love the ties on the side. Plus, I could wear this with a black turtleneck and some leggings if I want to. I love the name brands on their app. This is a Free People bodysuit I got for $20 that retails for $65. They also have tons of loft jeans, which I love. These were just 30 bucks and retail for $85. This Andre jumpsuit I paid $20 for, it retails for $64. And here are 3 ways to maximize your savings at ThredUp online thrifting. The first thing you want to do is you want to filter your finds by your sizes. You can put in your custom sizes, and I highly recommend adding a size up and a size down because some brands size differently. I like to sort by recently added first, so you get to see those brand new finds coming to ThredUp. They have thousands and thousands added every single day. And the third thing that I like to do is sort by type of garment. If I find something really beautiful I like on Instagram and a style that I want to copy, it's really easy to do that on ThredUp and I don't have to spend a lot of time. Definitely maximize those features, and here's some more outfits. This Free People dress is absolutely stunning. It retails for $150 and I got it for 50 bucks. I love how this one looks. I like to filter by Rare Finds. This $115 cupcakes and cashmere skirt I got for 15 bucks. It is so comfortable. This is a $70 Free People top that I got for 20 bucks. I love how flowy it is. Be sure to use the code Kathryn for 30% off of your first order plus free shipping. It's too good not to try. That is why I've worked with ThredUp for so long. All right, let's find some Christmas joy. My coat is from ThredUp too. I'm truly grateful to them for sponsoring this video. So up next is the key to that high-end look, and it's layering. These Nordic ornaments are 4 for 40 bucks from Pottery Barn, but the dollar store has a similar version that copies that same look. The dollar store is also the best place this year to get your ribbon. So my first step when decorating my tree is to weave one spool of ribbon through the tree. This cost me $5. And then I'm gonna layer in my berry picks, which I also got from the dollar store. And this is gonna give it that pop of red that carries through the house. I typically choose 3 colors. This year it's gold, red, and white. You can see how beautiful and high-end these ornaments look, just like the really nice Pottery Barn ones. For me, layers and less is always more. I took some lamb's ear I got from Walmart and I weaved a couple of strands over the top of the tree for texture. I added some ribbon loops as well, and these were in sparkly gold. The snowflakes are 8 in a pack for just $1.25. I added them to the mantle too, and I love how this turned out. And if you do nothing else this year, take a few minutes to use what you have and make something that makes a memory. For us, this is our hot cocoa bar, and come with us in store because we won't steer you wrong. Hey Carson, wave hi. So here they have all of the little stirring spoons.
And once you stir them enough, they melt, so it's like put chocolate.
Cold Stone Creamery candy canes,
That's cool.
Spree candy canes, and then just regular natural peppermint. They're funfetti. Should we get it?
Sure.
Oh, I love that with the little gnomes. That's great. This is a good find.
And there's one more.
Oh, I like the little trucks, and then they have napkins here. Is that a better light pack?
Yes, because it can hang 3 feet long.
Nice until proven not. Happy holidays. Gnome, sweet gnome. Yeah, we definitely want some of these. An unsung gem in the dollar store are these Irish coffee mugs. And at the time of filming, these Keurigs are 50% off, and they are so beautiful and come in a bright white. I was so excited to clear off this little table at home to make our hot cocoa station. The kids helped with this and had so much fun. We challenged ourselves to use decorations that we already had, things that were on hand, so we didn't have to buy new. And I've been meaning to share this tip for a while. Take 2 command hooks, I got these from the dollar store, and put them back to back, just like this, on the back of your cabinetry, especially if you have extra cords, those strung lights, you won't see them dangling down behind your tables. This one is a game changer. And of course, I have to bring you the best candy recommendations. Okay, so my personal favorite is popcorn that's drizzled with chocolate and peppermint. These are so good. I also really love the mints, and the marshmallows are a great deal. Owen, likely the most earnest person that I know, highly recommends to you the cotton candy from the Christmas section. He said it's the best he'd ever had, as well as the funfetti candy canes. He rated these highly with no reason other than he wants to make sure other kids know that information. Also, we have to share our favorite peppermint bark. Melt this in your microwave, basically just every 10 seconds stirring. Put this on a plastic spoon, add some marshmallows and some sprinkles on top, and you have a fast way to stir your chocolatey drinks. Give this one a try. Be sure to check out ThredUp. The link is down below. I'm so grateful for their support and even more grateful for you.